just science. And they got 3 quarter-districts in the zone. Now as we start our tally out, we're doing some moving, we're doing some shaking. You might even call it moving and shaking. But will these teams bring home the bacon? That is the question. Benjamins, rolling hot with the Anthony Cannons. They slide up to that step, but they're lowering it down. Oh, they say, I'm so good, I can set it down. I don't need to do it in one shot, I can take my time. And we've got Connor Robotics. With their competition though, is there hope to cooperate for this match? While the nerds in the meantime say, you do your thing, and in the meantime, I'm going to get a triple stack. That's a cool 6 points for that blue one. Connor Robotics still doing their best to get that competition for the last step. We're all really hoping it works out. Meanwhile, 52-35 on this red side, looks like they might get a double stack. Oh, when they push one of their steeples off. And then the engineer is down on this side. They look like they're going to throw a triple into the pair. And then, with 45 seconds left, they got that competition just ready. Oh! And that's in front of the competition stack. Are they still going to be able to get it? Attention! You can cut it with a knife. All eyes on that center step. They lift it up. They slide it over the and that's a foul too. Maybe there is a masterpiece. But with 7 seconds left, these teams scurry to the finish. Benjamin's turning their toe with 1 second.